It's finally snowing. Isn't it fun? This is my favorite wintertime game. I have just turned everything black and white. Did you notice any difference? Exactly. Snow season is the best time of the year. Ask any homeowner or janitor, they will tell you a couple of words that you will not have heard before about how cool this season is. And it is cool. It is a time of artistic expression. I mean, go for a walk when it's this rainy snow coming from the sky, and you will find out that you are perfectly capable of doing a breakdance sequence. Yeah, you will probably break an arm or a leg or probably a hip bone, but I mean, it's art. It requires some sacrifice. So if the only thing you have to make sure that the ambulances are not too busy at the time, and you're totally fine. It is really, really good. Can't wait for Christmas season. This is great.